What's going on, you guys? Marco Gianelli here, and in today's video, I'm excited to talk about a couple more plays that are on my watch list now, ever since some of the moves we saw today. Plus, we're going to be going over our plays from yesterday. I'm going to tell you where we stand and where I think we're going on those plays. This is just going to be a quick little update video, and along with some new positions I think are looking very good right now, and that's why I wanted to hurry up and get this video out to you guys so you can take the opportunity with them. First things first, guys, let's go into those plays yesterday. So we had Express. If you watched the video yesterday, I said this was a buy zone, and today we did dip out down to this level. This is just a 1 day trade I have so far. I'm going to be holding this play a little bit longer because I still like what I'm seeing with Express. We dipped down to my buy zone here at about five, in between 570 and 590. At that point, I went ahead and I bought some options, and from this move, I'm currently up about 55% on those options. I do believe we are going to be seeing the 6.73 level. It will be a big area to watch out for. Will we break it? I don't know yet. I'll let you know what I think as we see more. However, I definitely believe we are going to be coming up to this level very soon. Next play from yesterday, guys, I got to talk about is JPMorgan. We started the day at 159.26. We went up to 161.61. We closed at 116.16, so we moved at 1.2% today, which is a very nice move on JP Morgan. As I said, I'm going to play this one a little bit longer. I have some options. My options are up about 8% right now on these, and I'm just waiting to see what is going to happen. Like I said, just be patient with everything. I like this stock to keep moving higher and higher. And like I said, I like JP Morgan to reach about $180 moving forward here. Obviously, there'll be some bounces and all that. But that being said, congrats if you were in that play this morning. It was a nice little winner for us. I also had one other play. I actually forget what the play was for some reason. Oh yeah, we had Tilray, which I'll quickly run over. Okay, like I said, guys, Tilray, we're still in this big buy zone for me. Didn't get anything too great today. However, um, does look like we could be coming down to retest this support down at 1385. And if we do, it's another great buying opportunity for me. Like I said, I just try to accumulate a little bit each day it's down like this because I truly believe that we will be seeing 19 in the within the coming months on Tilray. All right, guys, with all that being said, those were our plays from yesterday. Let's dive into our plays from today. Number one play right now, like I said, in no particular order, is going to be Roku. For starters, we did approach oversold on the RSI, and then we had a nice little green candle here. Will it hold? I don't know. We're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to see. However, we did close above our VWAP just by a little bit, which is a very good sign. Because as you can see before, this is a 4 hour chart. We kept closing below. We kept getting rejected, heading lower, lower, lower. We closed above it, which looks fantastic. If I do a quick little fib from this relative low all the way up to this high, sorry, we are sitting right at right in between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.618. This thing does have a very high chance of retreating back down to the 354, and that will continue. That should happen probably by the end of the week if it does get to that point. And that is a big buy zone. If we can get that down to the 354 range, we're going to be going in. However, I want to note we are still sitting at this kind of key level with Roku, though. So you always got to look at a couple of different things. Being that we are at this key level, there is a chance that we do see a pop back tomorrow. It's all going to be based on just the overall market, what's going on with the S&P and everything of that nature. However, we are getting very close to a buy zone for Roku going forward here. I will keep you guys updated on this play because there's a lot of money to be made within Roku right now. We're looking at about, let's get an info line in here. From previous highs, you're looking at about a 30, almost a 32% jump you could look to get here if we go back to the all-time highs. However, this is not confirmed yet. This is not a confirmed bottom. So I'm saying shred with ease. If you want to start accumulating now, if you're going to go a little bit long, go for it. If you're going for a quicker trade and you're playing options on it, I would be very patient and wait for this 354 level. If you see that, that'll be an amazing entry because if you buy options up here and it runs down to 354, it could stay there for a day or two, and then your options are just gonna get killed in value because of the time decay. So if you're buying the stocks, I like adding a small position now on Roku. Yeah, that's about it. I want to look over, guys. I also want to look over for you guys is Moderna on the 4 hour. So we had a very, very, very big no today, as you could say. We jumped, I think it was around 20%, which is a pretty big move for Moderna. Let me just confirm what it was. About 24% from all-time highs that we hit just recently is where we're sitting at right now. This is going to be very interesting to watch going forward. Now, I don't always give out positions to short or positions to buy puts on just because I don't always believe in it. However, when I see an idea this convincing, I definitely want to take advantage of it. So we just closed below the 0.236 Fibonacci level, which before we just ran right through it. And it does look like we had a candle here, but it wasn't able to get enough momentum to go over that point. We are sitting below this VWAP. With that being said, take with it what you will, but I think Moderna has some room here to come down and cool off a little bit. As you can see, the run from the start of summer, I've been using this tool a lot. I love this thing. I didn't even know this existed. The run from summer, we are up 238%, which is just insane. I do believe we are going to be due for a pullback down to maybe the 0.382, possibly the zero point 0.5. And ultimately, if it really does want to cool off, this 0.618 will be a fantastic entry for you guys if we can get that. However, in the short term, I am looking to possibly enter a little bit of a short position with a little bit of a stop loss above, probably like right around all-time highs. That's just my thesis on it. This run, like I said, is insane. Um, and then, as you can see, this is a massive resistance for it. It is not ready to get there yet. So I do believe this is an easy play. If you're looking for a quick play, I think you can easily get this one down to about 355 if you want to ride that. That'll be a very nice chunk. And about an 8% play there if you're looking to short Moderna. Because I believe we're at least, just because we're not showing any confirmation through the for reversal at this Fibonacci level, I believe right around, if you're being really safe, 362 and then ultimately 339, these two levels can act as your exit for the stop loss. And I believe you guys will be successful with this trade. This is a play I have a lot of confidence in. I don't give out short positions too much unless I see an actual reason to go in on it. And this is just the one I'm seeing right now that looks very good. All right, guys, I have one final stock for you. I gotta look at my phone because I was remembering it, but now I completely forgot it. And I like to set up a lot on it. Sorry about Okay, we just found the stock, guys. The final play I'm gonna give you guys going forward here is on Fiverr. Shout out Ricky, I think Gutierrez was the one who I saw this play from. I had completely not even followed this for some reason, but now I am seeing this, and this looks like a very good chart. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna draw out a Fibonacci on the daily. So I'm not gonna. I'll start like I do with most of these. I like starting at the bottom of the pandemic. It gives you the widest range, and it shows you the strongest supports the further out you do this. Okay, so from our big bottom in, during the pandemic, we have enjoyed a rise of roughly, you know, just nothing big, just a 3,000% rise in the share price of Fiverr. Nothing at all to see. Anyway, with that being said, I think we were due for a pretty big pull down. As you see here, we did come back down here in May at the start of summer. It looks like we got a leg up, and then we just dropped again. Now, Fiverr did report a good earnings, so this is surprising. I do expect us to, keep growing. This company's a big company. I know I use this company all the time. I watch a lot of influencers who are always on Fiverr. This is a good, strong company with a lot of room left to grow, and this is a very good discounted price. My play on this right now, and we are oversold on the RSI on the daily. You know, when you look at a daily chart and you're oversold on daily RSI, that is honestly, in my opinion, one of the most accurate um, like indicators you can ever imagine. So we were oversold here, and you saw that bounce back. We are approaching this level again. So if you're playing Fiverr, this is another one, guys. We don't need to rush at all. We have a potential upside of over about 100% on this stock. So what that means is you do not have to be buying into this dip right away. We're going to be patient. I'm going to keep you guys updated, up to date, what's going on with these plays and when I believe you should be buying. I don't see this as a buy just yet. The reason I say that was we could possibly see this thing go down to about $140. If what I am seeing is right, and this was the 5 wave impulse up, then how I'm seeing this correction could possibly go. Like I said, I am not a financial analyst, but I'm just a guy giving you some tips and tricks. So we're gonna go A. This looks like it's up to a B to the 0.236, and it is possible we see a C here. I highly doubt we would come down to the 86 level. I just don't see that being the case with Fiverr. So I would say right here is where your green light's going to be if we end up coming down to this level. Last thing I want to show you guys is some key levels here, just to put everything together and paint a very nice picture for you. So right here we know is a resistance point. It was an old resistance point. Could it be it again? Possibly. We'll see. Here's a point. Here's a point. Here's a point. And then ultimately, like down here, would be all your key levels of what to watch for. So if you see a confirmation candle on the daily close above 176, I think that is a beautiful place to go long. If you don't see that, we're not going long just yet, as this does have room to dip more. It is very hard to time entries on dips. However, I do like you adding a position now. Like I said, if you have $1,000 account, go in with about 20% now, and just always add on those dips when you see it at a good price. With all that being said, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys found this video useful or helpful, or if you guys hit those plays yesterday, congratulations. You should be up some money. I'm very excited moving forward on this channel. We've had a lot of, a lot of positive momentum going with these calls. Um, Everything's kind of working out for us here, so let's just keep staying positive and let's keep trying to make some money, guys.